Hello everyone, welcome back to healthsite.com. Today in this video, we are going to see advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. Let's see advantages. First, improved data sharing. The DBMS helps create an environment in which end users have better access to more and better managed data. Such access makes it possible for end users to respond quickly to changes in their environment. Second, improved data security. The more users access the data, the greater the risk of data security breaches. Corporations invest considerable amounts of time, effort and money to ensure that corporate data are used properly. A DBMS provides a framework for better enforcement of data privacy and security policies. Third, better data integration. Wider access to well-managed data promotes an integrated view of the organization's operations and a clearer view of the big picture. It becomes much easier to see how actions in one segment of the company affect other segments. Fourth, improved data access. The DBMS makes it possible to produce quick answers to ad hoc queries. From a database perspective, a query is a specific request issued to the DBMS for data manipulation. For example, to read or update the data. Simply put, a query is a question and an ad hoc query is a spur of the moment question. The DBMS sends back an answer called the query result set to the application. For example, end users. Now let's see disadvantages. First, increased cost. Database system requires sophisticated hardware and software and highly skilled personnel. The cost of maintaining the hardware, software and personnel required to operate and manage a database system can be substantial. Training, licensing and regulation compliance costs are often overlooked when database systems are implemented. Second, management complexity. Database systems interface with many different technologies and have a significant impact on a company's resource and culture. The changes introduced by the adoption of a database system must be properly managed to ensure that they help advance the company's objectives. Given the fact that database systems hold crucial company data that are accessed from multiple sources, security issues must be accessed constantly. Third, maintaining currency. To maximize the efficiency of the database system, you must keep your system current. Therefore, you must perform frequent updates and apply the latest patches and security measures to all the other components. Because database technology advances rapidly, personal training costs tend to be significant. Fourth, frequent upgrade replacement cycles. DBMS vendors frequently upgrade their products by adding new functionality. Such new features often come bundled in new upgrade versions of the software. Some of these versions require hardware upgrades. Not only do the upgrades themselves cost money, but it also costs money to train database users and administrators to properly use and manage the new features. So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this channel for viewing more such videos.